Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode. Today we're taking a sponsored look at Vega, an advanced decentralized exchange which brings features users would expect in a centralized exchange to fully decentralized non-custodial trading. Today we're going to be taking a look at the event that they've got going on with Bybit, where you can win a share of $200,000 worth of Vega tokens that they were having currently going on right now. I'll show you how to take part in it. It's free to join, so you can get involved, and all you're going to do is sign up to Bybit, set up an account for that. New users, there's a better offer for you if you've not used Bybit before, but there is also the opportunity to win some tokens for current users as well. So let's get into today's episode. I'm going to start by showing you exactly what's going on with this event and how to take part in it. So currently we have an event going on where, using the link down in the description below, you will be able to find a join up fee. This will give you send you to this page where Bybit and Vega protocol are having that combined partnership to give you the chance to get exclusive benefits. As you can see here, we've got the exclusive benefits of deposit 100 and get 20 USDT bonus, achieve 10,000 or more in trading volume to qualify for an iPhone giveaway as well. They've got a trade and spin lucky draw, 100% maker fee discount for 30 days and up to $30,000 in bonuses. You should have the referral code, and you can just sign up using your email address, your password, and it's easy as that. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what you can get in the event that they've got going on as well at the moment. So there are huge rewards in this giveaway: $200,000 in Vega tokens prize pool for Bybit votes, and you can take part by clicking down below in the description, and it will take you to the ability to vote. So there's two campaigns going on. All Bybit users, so these are not just new ones, will have a chance to win 100k worth of Vega tokens. That's been committed to the prize pool, which will be distributed to Bybit to the participants if Vega wins the vote. There's also going to be a new Bybit users campaign where 80,000 worth of Vega tokens will be distributed to the first 800 people who create new Bybit accounts and vote for Vega, so $100 in Vega each. And there's 10k votes campaign going on with 20k worth of Vega tokens for the first 20 people who cast 10,000 votes to Vega. They will earn $1,000 in Vega each. So some big rewards up for grabs. Here you can see the voting timeline. So we had the warm-up from 9th to 11th October. October the 11th, snapshots were taken. So we're currently in the voting part of the timeline, where from the October the 12th at 3 UTC to October the 13th at 3 o'clock UTC, you'll have a chance to vote for Vega in the competition. And so start doing that. And if they win, we've got the airdrop. The deposit time we've got on the 13th of October, and the winner listing will be on the 13th of October as well. So, you know, rewards will be distributed very quickly if you vote now. They put out some really helpful articles out on how to vote. I'm going to be taking you through the steps if you're voting on this, and we'll check on the progress of it as well. So here we can see the steps. Step 1, registering on Bybit. Obviously, these are for people who are not Bybit users currently. We've got the KYC verification, then we've got depositing on Bybit as well. So deposit must be made within 7 days for you to be able to vote. So obviously that deposit is yours to you as much as you do what you like with it. You can trade with it on anything that you want. And then we've got the voting with buy votes. So voting is open now. Now, don't worry if you didn't lock your assets. There was no need to. They are automatically counted, and your assets remain in your custody throughout the voting process. So that snapshot was taken, so you could use those funds for something else now, and it wouldn't affect your votes. The number of votes you possess will be proportional to the assets held in your Bybit account. And once the vote has begun, which is now, you can visit the Buy Vote site and vote for Vega. Note that a maximum of 10,000 votes can be allocated to Vega. Remember, that was 10,000 votes goes to if you're one of the early people to do that for the 10k votes campaign, one of the first 20, you'll get $1,000 in Vega back. So it's a really good thing to take part in. Right, so here's how you can use the buy votes to vote for your favorite listing, Vega, of course. You'll see in the top right, we've got voting phase ends in 17 hours from when I'm recording this. So you got to do it today, or at least by 3 a.m. UTC tomorrow. And you can vote for one of three: Vega, Shia, or TLOS. Of course, we're voting for Vega. Past winners, NIM is something that we've covered on our channel, and that won. So, you know, good record of voting for things in the past. I think MBX, we look at that as well, actually, maybe. But this will get listed on Bybit, which will be a huge thing. So you can see I've got available votes 57. Current votes, I see, will be visible after voting, so we don't actually know the current progress of it. And so you can click vote now, and then click in your max votes you'd like to cast. Obviously I'm going to use the max, and then click confirm, and then your votes will be cast. You will obviously then at the end of voting see the current votes that the project has, so we'll see whether it wins or not after 3 a.m. UTC tomorrow, or the 13th of October. So best of luck with it. We have 17 hours. Definitely go and get on that straight away, because we don't have long. It'll tell you how much time you have until voting ends, but do it today. And let's get Vega to win and get it listed on Bybit. Now, obviously, most of the rewards that have been paid out are as if Vega win and they are listed on Bybit. Now, to help it do that, you can go visit and share its socials. So it has loads of social aspects to it. You've got the Vega Protocol Twitter page. You know, share that with people that you know on your socials, and then more people who might already have stuff in their Bybit account, those assets that they will be able to vote with and may not be using them, will vote for it, and we can help boost it so that it does win. And then with that, we obviously have a better chance of winning more. They have a strong Discord community. They also have a YouTube channel which has loads of useful information, useful videos that I think coming out for a long time. You know, we're going back 3 years, to be able to give you a bit of information and guide on how to do certain things within the project. Right, so let's take a look at the project itself. So what is Vega? It is a decentralized exchange. What is that? If you don't know, it's a place where you can exchange currencies without having to log into a Bybit account or a centralized exchange like Binance. You can use it just like things like KuCoin. And here it is. So here we have the main net of it. We've got BTC USDT pairing, where you can buy and sell. You can long or short, and you can put in the size, how much you want. You'll also need a Vega wallet to start with this, so you can connect a Vega wallet, or you can use MetaMask Snap. Now, once you've signed up, you can then make your trades very easily. But there are some really, really good perks to this project, which separate it from other projects, I think. What separates this project from other ones is some of its key features. So we've got the fact that it's non-custodial and pseudonymous, so we've got no third-party access having access to your funds. Purpose-built proof-of-stake blockchain, where it's fully decentralized, high-performance peer-to-network trading. We've got low fees and no cost to place orders, so fees work like a centralized exchange with no per transaction gas for orders. You've got transparent and open source trading. All Vega source code and trading data are publicly available. We've got capital efficient margin trading, so leverage trading with full cross margining. They have rich centralized exchange style order book with APIs, which is fully decentralized limit order book, declob and historic data APIs. They've got decentralized liquidity incentivization, so liquidity provision is fairly rewarded fee with they have decentralized liquidity incentivization, so liquidity provision is fairly rewarded from fee revenue by the protocol, and permissionless market creation, so you can create any market on an underlying with on-chain governance. Vega is designed to be as good as CeFi, better than CeFi, and help DeFi mature with this purpose-built bespoke blockchain. Compared to the likes of Ethereum, it will offer way faster trading, it will build for fairness from the ground up, no fees on orders, specifically built for trading, and small purpose-built smart products for trading as well. Project offers anti-front running, permissionless market creation, built-in liquidity incentives, optimized for high capital efficiency, efficient price discovery, pseudonymous trading, and community creation of markets, as well as things like dynamic margins with cross-margining, pegged orders for automated order management, completely decentralized network, and no gas fees on trading. So when you take all that into account, you can see how it's built to be better, and it's built to help DeFi mature. So obviously we saw with the Bybit campaign, rewards will be given in Vega token, and that will have utility within the ecosystem. It's going to be an ERC20 token on the Ethereum mainnet that secures Vega's proof of stake network. Unlike other layer 1s and decentralized derivative exchanges, Vega is not used to transact on the network, and trading does not incur gas. Trading fees are only incurred by price takers, incentivizing more liquidity and market making. Its main functions on the Vega network are securing the proof of stake Vega blockchain and Vega Ethereum bridge, making and voting on governance proposals to create and update markets and manage the market parameters, and paid to participants as rewards for bringing value to the network. Token holders benefit from rewards and a share of revenue if they stake and delegate their tokens, so it's going to have some huge utility within the ecosystem. So we can see here some of the rewards that you can earn. So we've got rewards are designed to allow any Vega network participant to incentivize user behavior and are paid at the end of each epoch. So we've got this epoch ending in 4 hours 45 minutes from when I'm recording this. We've got trading. 3,500 Vega can be distributed based on the proportion of total maker fees that you've paid in this epoch. Got market making as well, distributed based on the proportion of the total maker fees you receive in this epoch. And then we've got liquidity provision as well. Incentives and bounties. So we've got participate in developer bounties and get rewarded for your commitment. So you can actually earn through that. We've got security issues. So if you found software security issue, report it and earn rewards for finding bugs that affect the Vega network. We've got fairground and incentives. Earn rewards for helping us to find bugs and battle hardened Vega's testnet. The project has its own GitHub as well that you can, help with the project's development, so you can go there if you're used to doing something like that, and there's opportunities with that to be rewarded. The project has some good backers, some big names. So we've got Pantera Capital there, we've got Arrington Capital, we've got Masari Crypto, and we have Greenfield, all backing this project. The wallet is really easy to add, so you can go get the Vega wallet by going to the wallet page on the website and add to Firefox. It will then ask you to add, click OK. And so now I can go into extensions and we can see Vega mainnet wallet, and I can open that extension and you can create your own account very easily. So Vega has a lot going for it. It currently supports creating and trading on dated future markets and will add perpetuals and spot trading in the coming months. So traders will benefit from high capital efficiency due to low margin requirements, cross margining, and in future portfolio margining for related markets. And one of the things that's really cool is that Vega is not limited to crypto. Markets can be created on anything that has an appropriate oracle. And there's still loads more to come in the future, so a future release of Vega will support hybrid liquidity that allows a mix of Uniswap style liquidity pools and order book based trading simultaneously on all markets. This is going to enable rapid creation of markets without the support of professional market makers, as well as opportunities for users to deploy capital directly to liquidity provision and earn a share of the profits as well. And in the longer term, Vega is going to be upgraded to allow developers to build their own products and risk models to run on Vega's decentralized infrastructure. And they'll be able to open platform up to full composability both on the Vega chain and via cross-chain solutions. So all in all, I think this is a really promising project with loads planned for the future. It's got an active community. It's already seeing a lot of money going through the main net. So we see BTC, ETH, USD pairings. There's a lot of trading going on since the beginning of June all the way through to where we are currently in October, and actually it's only getting bigger with each month. So the project is growing and growing, and if you want to be a part of it, get involved. Definitely, if you have those votes, take part in that Bybit account. Let's get it listed on Bybit. Okay, I think we'll leave it there for today's episode. Don't forget to go down into the description and use that link to sign up to a new Bybit account to get some of those rewards. Apart from that, that is all for today's episode. If you have enjoyed it, please leave a like on the video. It always helps the channel out. Hit subscribe if you want to keep up to date with future content. That's all from me. See you guys soon.